our next
Okay.
question. Who is more fashionista?
Oh! Sige, siya na lang.
Okay.
Birthday siya kahapon.
Okay.
Ibigay daw natin
Sige.
kay
Ako.
Pero ang ganda naman ng OOTD ni Lyden today.
Nagmukha nga ako,
Ganda-ganda ng
Hindi ako
OOTD
aware.
ni Keith. Okay, next naman. Who spends more time on social media?
Wow!
Yes. Halata naman sa Viber. Okay, so si
Ako.
Keeper. Next up.
Okay, who takes better selfies?
Okay.
No way.
Okay,
Explain.
the both of you.
Siyempre, maganda eh. Siyempre, mas maganda yung selfie.
Okay.
Depende lagi na sa selfie si Kiefer.
Mas maganda.
Okay ba? Pwede ba yun?
Hindi.
Baka para kay Lai.
Sang-ayon yung mga fans natin
Oo.
dito sa Upfront
Nice
Studio.
Nice pag mag-angle ang isang volleyball
Pero hindi na
player.
kailangan umangil eh.
Ay, grabe.
Okay. Well, super nag-enjoy naman kami getting to know you guys a little bit more. Thank you once again for taking the time to be here in our upfront set. But before that, actually kayo ang ating cover boy
Yeah,
and girl
grabe.
ng Chalk Magazine for the November issue. So congratulations. Sige, tignan nga natin. So for Keith and Lai, what can we expect from this issue of Chalk Magazine?
Well, unang-una nagpapasalamat kami sa Chalk for
Yeah,
choosing
thank you,
us to be
Chalk.
the November cover. And for the people, for those who's gonna, hopefully you
Buy
guys
na lang.
buy a copy.
Ooh.
You'll see the other side of Keyfly. You'll have other insights that you probably would just find out by buying the magazine. So hopefully you guys
Yan na.
grab a copy and yeah, you have interesting facts about me and of course Liza as well.
Okay, so
But
thank you once
lipat
again.
dun sa next page.
We
Palipat mo yung...
Palipat natin. Okay.
Hindi na nila bumili para
We look
makita
forward
nila.
to seeing more action from you the rest of this season. Thank you once again, Keith Lai, for gracing the show. We had so much fun.
Yes,
Thank you so much. Do you guys have any last message for your fans?
And supporters,
Yeah.
of course.
Well, to everyone, hopefully you can buy a copy of the November issue of Chalk, and to our fans sa Ateneo, and to everyone, just continue to pray and support for us this UAP season for the basketball team as we go towards the last part of the season, and especially their upcoming season for the women's volleyball team. So hopefully, supporta kayo sa amin, and I'll see you guys in our games.
Thank you for all the support and their time and their love talaga. So, thank you so much, guys.
Okay, so thank